Hello, my name is Paul Burnell and I'm a field service technician with Knight Office Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to replace staples on mid-volume Lanier products. Please note that these instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. Lanier machines will alert you when it's time to add staples with a notification that appears in either the upper right or lower left of the device display. To load new staples, first open the front cover, then grab the green tab and slide out the staple cartridge. You'll notice there is a small frosted arrow on the side of the plastic cartridge. Squeeze the arrows on the front and rear of the refill frame and it will release. After the holder is empty, insert the new refill and pull out the packing ribbon. Then close the cartridge and insert it into the stapler. If you get stuck, reference the illustrated instructions on the inside of the finisher door. To remove a jammed staple, pull up on the green tab located on the staple holder to reveal the jammed staple. Remove the staple with your hands. Then close the tab back down and reinsert the cartridge into the machine. Listen for the click to make sure it is seated correctly. To add booklet staples, start by pulling the blue handle toward you, exposing the booklet maker. On this model, the staples are located near the bottom left side between two metal guards. Remove the containers by pulling out on the green tab. Because booklet staples run out at the same time, you'll need to replace both cartridges. Squeeze the empty plastic cartridge and pull out to remove. Then insert the new cartridge and press them into place. After this, slide the booklet maker back inside the copier and close the door. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and that you'll come back whenever you have routine maintenance questions. If you have an issue that isn't covered in one of our videos, please feel free to give us a call and one of Knight's experienced technicians will help get you back up and running in no time at all.